today I'm about to show y'all how to bring a wig back to life. Today I'm using my Chinese bang wig, and I've been having this wig for like 3 years, and baby, it definitely needs some revival. So this is the wig right here. She done been through everything, y'all. She done been through it. Now let's get to it. So first you're gonna want to use your clarifying shampoo. Always use this when you revive your wigs. You don't need too much, but just add some water. Water goes a long way with clarifying shampoo. Make sure it gets on every hair on that wig. Then you're gonna rinse the hair thoroughly. Just make sure it's very clean. Clarifying shampoo gets your hair really clean. Then we're gonna fill the sink up with hot water, very hot water. Then we're gonna add our silicone mix. This is the main ingredient. Once you get that silicone mix in there, you're gonna let that wig sit in there for about 30 minutes in the hot water. Come back and rinse that wig thoroughly. Make sure you get all of the silicone out of the wig. And for those of you who are wondering what silicone does for your wigs, it revives the cuticles back like new. So that's why this is the miracle conditioner that you need. Now I'm starting off by blow drying the inside of my wig. I always do that first, then I go to the outside. Now ladies, y'all know we got to use our Silken and Mist, okay? That Clip Vermeer Silken and Mist. Mine finally came in, so we had to put that on there. That's gonna get your hair silky. Now blow drying is very important also when it comes to you wanting your hair silky. So you have to make sure you blow dry the wig thoroughly, like all over, get it as straight as you can get it. You see, all of this is just from a blow dryer right here. And it's getting pretty straight without no flat iron, nothing, just a blow dryer. The blow dryer is honestly doing most of the work. Now y'all, when this wig was pretty much dry, which right here it is, I noticed that it's thin, and I'm like, oh, it's thin. I think I'm gonna have to add some more hair. And y'all, that's pretty much what I had to do. I definitely had to go get another bundle and throw it up in there. So here I'm going in small sections with my flat iron to get the hair as straight as possible. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, at the end I got a little lazy because I'm like, this not a client, this gonna be on my head. So I got my big flat iron out to start, so I can do bigger sections so I can get done faster. Because y'all can see my baby in the background, she was fidgety. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm doing bigger sections with the bigger flat iron so I can get done faster. I've been having this flat iron for about 8 years, y'all, no lie. I call her Old Faithful, because that's definitely what she is. And y'all can see the shine that it has. So the shine is from everything put together. The Silken and Mist, the silicone, and the clarifying shampoo. So here, I just put the wig on, looking crazy. Now I'm just brushing everything out because I'm getting ready to bump the bang. Now, as y'all can see, it's looking pretty thin. This is what I was talking about. I noticed when I was blow drying on a mannequin, but I thought I could get away with it a little bit at first. But then now I'm really feeling it and feeling the hair while it's on my head, and I'm like, nah, this ain't gonna work for me. This is how it looked after I finished bumping the bang, but it was still thin, y'all. It was still thin, so we gotta do some magic. So this wig is kind of old and it's thinning. So I'm about to go to the beauty supply, give me one more bundle to put in here. I love this hair. I really don't want to mix no new hair with it. But at this point, I have to. It's been 3 years. I got my wear out of it, so I'm gonna just go and give me a bundle to make it a little fuller, because it's kind of thin to me. So I'll be back. So y'all, this is the hair I ended up getting from the beauty supply called Pearlish. I love the way this hair felt. I really do. It felt so good. Whew. So now I'm just separating the wig in certain places so I can add the tracks. I'm doubling my tracks because I'm trying to, do less work as possible. So I'm doubling them on each row that I do. Oh, and y'all, guess how much I paid for this wig 3 years ago? I paid $40 for this wig on Amazon. And y'all probably gonna think I'm lying. I'm so serious. I paid $40 for this wig 3 years ago. And I don't know if the person was having a sale because it was going out of business or what, but I just took a chance. Because I'm like, man, this hair probably not even gonna be all the way human. No, when I got it in the mail, it was all the way human and it was silky. That's what tripped me out. So I tried to go back on Amazon and find the vendor, right? Nowhere to be found. So I'm like, did they delete their account or something? Like, why I can't find them in my purchase, in my orders, nothing I purchased. I can't find them nowhere, y'all. So here I'm just sewing the last couple of tracks at the top of the wig. And no lie, y'all, my baby looking full again. I think she might last me another year. Because I don't wear her that often, I wear her maybe about 2 months at a time. I've got like 8-9 wigs that I just keep in rotation. I can't remember the last time I bought a wig. And this is how she came out once I added the hair. Can y'all tell the difference? I can definitely tell the difference. But I love it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.